Let's quickly revise this slide of large sized vein focused under 10x magnification. The identification points include presence of three distinct layers: tunica intima, tunica media and tunica adventitia from inside out. Tunica intima is made up of endothelium and subendothelial connective tissue. Tunica media made up of smooth muscle cells. Tunica adventitia, the thickest of the layers and the most hallmark feature of large-sized vein, containing plenty of longitudinally arranged smooth muscle bundles. These should be the identification points for large-sized vein. How do we differentiate this from a large-sized artery? In large-sized artery, the thickest layer is tunica media. In case of medium-sized artery, there is a prominent internal elastic lamina. This is how we differentiate between the three blood vessel slides given for your histology exams.